what's cooking. I'll be making creamy spinach here, spinach with mushrooms. Then here I'm gonna make mashed potato, and I've got butternut also. Ish, never mind, the slide came off. And then here, got oxtail. Just need to add more water. It's been cooking for an hour now. I will need two to 2.5 more hours. Yeah, my oxtail is cooking. Yep. So earlier on I added bay leaves, I added my thyme, and 1 stalk of beef flavor. So yeah, so I added those in the second hour, and now it's slowly cooking, getting there, but it's not falling off the bone yet. I'm not adding red wine. Yeah, there's 2 red wines, but I'm not adding them because tomorrow it's work. Yeah, but it will be nice with the thing. It's time to add onion into the mix. Also adding some carrots. Yep. Mix. Okay, there you go. My spinach, I'm gonna add this one, garlic and herb. Guys, I'm in love with these products, this brand especially. I'm so in love with it. It does the things for me. For my potatoes, my mashed potato, guys, this brand again, my potato spice. Add a little bit of baking powder, very small amount, just to make my potatoes a little bit fluffy. Yeah, it's time to mash. Chop. For my creamy spinach, I'm gonna use cheese sauce and mushroom sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh milk, and yeah, that's about it. So creamy spinach. Again, I'm gonna add a little bit of syrup for my butternuts. Mash. Tail coming right. Just gonna add a little bit of Worcester sauce. You can call it a substitution for wine. So I'm not using red wine because tomorrow it's work. Tina siyafuthi, so emsebenzini guys. So yeah, don't want anything, not a little bit of alcohol in my boat. Now I'm gonna chop my tomatoes and get them ready to go into the oxtail. Okay, I'm gonna add tomatoes. I usually add tomato puree, but I ran out, so I'm improvising. I'm gonna add tomato sauce.